Are you facing the common challenges of aging? Joint pain, fatigue, and the feeling of losing your vitality? If you or a loved one is struggling with similar issues, you'll want to stick around. Today, we're diving into the miraculous benefits of black seed oil, a natural remedy that has left doctors speechless and seniors like feeling revitalized. From pain relief to boosted immunity, this oil could change your life. So, let's explore how black seed oil can help you reclaim your energy and joy in your golden years. In recent studies, black seed oil has shown promising results in reducing inflammation, improving heart health, and even enhancing cognitive function. Margaret, a 70-year-old, now finds herself facing the common struggles of aging: joint pain, fatigue, and a general decline in health. Despite her best efforts to maintain a healthy lifestyle, she feels like her body is betraying her. She often feels tired, and her arthritis makes simple tasks like gardening or playing with her grandchildren challenge. Margaret has tried various remedies, from over-the-counter pain relievers to dietary supplements, but nothing seems to provide lasting relief. One day, while chatting with a friend at the local community center, Margaret hears about black seed oil, often touted as a miracle oil with numerous health benefits. Skeptical but intrigued, she decides to research this natural remedy. What she discovers might just change her life. Keep on watching until the end to see how this miracle oil helped her. Benefit number 8 will definitely surprise you. Black seed oil, derived from the seeds of the Nigella sativa plant, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, particularly in Middle Eastern and Asian cultures. Known for its potent anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and immune-boosting properties, black seed oil is gaining popularity in the wellness community, especially among seniors like Margaret. Recent studies have shown that black seed oil contains thymoquinone, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory effects. For seniors facing chronic pain and inflammation, this could mean a significant improvement in their quality of life. Imagine waking up without the nagging ache in your joints or having more energy to engage in daily activities. This is the promise that black seed oil holds. 1. Pain relief and inflammation. For many seniors, chronic pain is a daily struggle. Conditions like arthritis, back pain, and neuropathy can severely impact mobility and overall well-being. Black seed oil has been shown to help reduce inflammation and provide relief from pain. In a 2021 study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, researchers found that black seed oil significantly reduced pain and improved function in patients with osteoarthritis. Margaret decides to give black seed oil a try. After a few weeks of incorporating it into her daily routine, she notices a remarkable difference. The stiffness in her joints begins to subside, and she can finally enjoy her afternoon walks without discomfort. This newfound mobility revitalizes her spirit, allowing her to spend quality time with her grandchildren, playing games, and even gardening again. 2. Boosting the immune system. As we age, our immune systems naturally weaken, leaving us more susceptible to illnesses and infections. Black seed oil is renowned for its immune-boosting properties. Research indicates that it can enhance the body's defenses, making it a valuable addition to any senior's health regimen. In a double-blind study published in Phytotherapy Research, participants who took black seed oil showed a significant increase in immune markers compared to those who received a placebo. This means that seniors like Margaret can potentially reduce their risk of common illnesses, allowing them to enjoy life without the constant worry of falling ill. 3. Heart health. Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death among seniors. Factors such as high blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and inflammation play a critical role in cardiovascular health. Black seed oil has been shown to have a positive impact on heart health by improving cholesterol levels and reducing blood pressure. In a clinical trial published in the American Journal of Hypertension, participants taking black seed oil experienced a significant reduction in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. For seniors, this can translate to a lower risk of heart attacks and strokes, making black seed oil an essential ally in maintaining heart health. Margaret, after reading about these benefits, decides to consult her doctor about incorporating black seed oil into her routine. Her doctor impressed by the recent findings, encourages her to give it a try, emphasizing that it could complement her existing health regimen. If you're still watching, you must love our other videos as well. Subscribe to our channel for more content, like the video, and comment number 3 to let us know you are here. Also, tell us where you're watching us from. It really inspires us. Now that you have subscribed and commented, let's continue. 4. Respiratory health. Many seniors suffer from respiratory conditions, such as asthma or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. Black seed oil has shown promise in improving respiratory function and reducing symptoms associated with these conditions. The anti-inflammatory properties of thymoquinone can help soothe the airways, making it easier to breathe. A study published in the Journal of Asthma demonstrated that black seed oil significantly improved lung function in patients with asthma. Seniors like Margaret, who may struggle with breathing issues, could find relief through this natural remedy. After introducing black seed oil into her daily routine, Margaret notices that her breathing feels easier, especially during her evening walks. 5. Skin health. As we age, our skin undergoes various changes, including dryness, wrinkles, and a loss of elasticity. Black seed oil is rich in fatty acids and antioxidants, making it an excellent choice for maintaining skin health. It can help hydrate the skin, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and promote a youthful glow. Margaret starts using black seed oil not only internally, but also topically. She applies a few drops to her face and hands, and within weeks, her skin feels softer and more supple. Friends begin to notice the change, complimenting her on her youthful appearance. This boost in confidence adds to her overall well-being, reminding her that embracing natural remedies can lead to delightful surprises. 6. Digestive health. Digestive issues are common among seniors, often resulting from slowed metabolism or side effects from medications. Black seed oil has been traditionally used to support digestive health. It can help alleviate symptoms of bloating, gas, and constipation, promoting overall digestive comfort. Research published in the Journal of Gastroenterology found that black seed oil may help reduce symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, a condition that affects many seniors. By incorporating black seed oil into her diet, Margaret experiences improved digestion, allowing her to enjoy her meals without discomfort. 7. Mental clarity and cognitive function. Cognitive decline is a common concern for seniors, with many fearing conditions like Alzheimer's or dementia. Emerging research suggests that black seed oil may have neuroprotective effects, potentially safeguarding brain health. Thymoquinone's antioxidant properties can combat oxidative stress in the brain, which is linked to cognitive decline. A study published in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience found that black seed oil improved cognitive function in aging rats, suggesting potential benefits for humans as well. Margaret, motivated by her desire to keep her mind sharp, starts taking black seed oil daily. She finds that her memory feels clearer and she can engage more fully in conversations and activities, which enhances her quality of life. 8. Emotional well-being. Aging can sometimes lead to feelings of loneliness or depression, impacting overall mental health. Black seed oil may help improve mood and reduce symptoms of anxiety. The oil has been shown to have adaptogenic properties, helping the body cope with stress more effectively. Margaret discovers that taking black seed oil not only helps her physically, but also boosts her mood. She feels more energetic and optimistic, allowing her to engage in social activities and enjoy life to the fullest. This emotional uplift is just as vital as physical health, reminding her that holistic well-being encompasses both mind and body. If you're still watching, you must love our other videos as well. Subscribe to our channel for more content, like the video, and comment number 8 to let us know you are here. Also, tell us where you're watching us from. It really inspires us. Now that you have subscribed and commented, let's continue. How to use black seed oil. For seniors looking to incorporate black seed oil into their routines, there are several ways to do so. It can be consumed in liquid form, taken as a supplement in capsule form, or applied topically for skin benefits. The recommended dosage varies, but many experts suggest starting with 1 teaspoon daily and gradually increasing it as tolerated. Margaret finds that adding black seed oil to her morning smoothies is an easy and delicious way to enjoy its benefits. She also keeps a bottle handy for topical use, applying it to her skin after her evening routine. By making it a part of her daily life, she maximizes the potential benefits of this remarkable oil. Precautions and considerations. While black seed oil is generally safe for most people, it's essential for seniors to consult with their healthcare providers before starting any new supplement. This is especially important for those taking medications, as black seed oil can interact with certain drugs, such as blood thinners. By discussing her interest in black seed oil with her doctor, Margaret ensures that she can safely enjoy its myriad benefits. As research continues to unfold, more studies are being conducted to explore the full range of benefits associated with black seed oil. Recent findings have highlighted its potential role in managing conditions like diabetes, hypertension, and even certain types of cancer. This expanding body of evidence suggests that black seed oil may play a vital role in the future of natural health for seniors. Margaret's journey with black seed oil is just one example of how this natural remedy can transform the lives of seniors. From alleviating pain and boosting immunity to enhancing mood and cognitive function, the benefits are numerous and compelling. As more seniors like Margaret discover the miracles of black seed oil, the conversation around natural remedies continues to grow. By embracing holistic approaches to health, seniors can reclaim their vitality and enjoy life to the fullest. The story of black seed oil is one of empowerment, resilience, and the remarkable potential that lies in nature's offerings. As Margaret reflects on her journey, she feels grateful for the newfound energy and joy that black seed oil has brought into her life. It serves as a reminder that sometimes the simplest solutions can lead to the most profound changes. So, if you're a senior looking to enhance your health and well-being, consider exploring the miracles of black seed oil. It may just be the natural remedy you've been searching for, a small addition that could make a world of difference in your daily life. Margaret's journey with black seed oil shows us the potential of natural remedies to transform our health and well-being. From pain relief to improved mood and cognitive function, the benefits are truly remarkable. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends or family who might benefit from these insights. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and wellness advice tailored for seniors. We want to hear from you. Have you tried black seed oil? What changes have you noticed? Share your experiences in the comments below. Remember, embracing natural remedies could be the key to feeling your best in your golden years.